This is the definition of a disaster. If I had £1 for every single disastrous bodge on this car, I would be a bajillionaire. Welcome back to the series of the Disaster Datsun Z. Now, in the previous video, we uncovered absolute abomination of disastrousness, and we also showed you this absolute masterpiece of a panel from Resurrected Classics. Big shout out to them, link in the description. Now, in this video, we're actually going to attempt to mock this panel up and find some good metal on this disastrous abomination. Wish me luck. This back section is an absolute joke. This is held together by rust, paint, primer, filler, fiberglass, blue tack, chewing gum, newspaper and rusty holes and old bad repairs. This is an absolute disaster. Now, what I'm going to have to do with this is mock this new panel up from Resurrected Classics, link in the description. I'll pop this new panel onto the old, I'll mark out exactly where the joins are, I'll then expose probably more rust and try and find some spot welds. I can then brace this top section so it doesn't go anywhere and then cut out the bad and attempt to put in the new, but I dare say I may find more rust. Quite often I'm lost for words with the Disaster Datsun. Well, near enough every episode I'm lost for words. But this is just a whole new beast. I mean, look at it. This is the definition of a disaster. This whole structural situation that's going on right here, right now, needs replacing. I need to cut all of this out, as well as cutting all of that out that I've already cut out. I need to cut all of this out and remake this whole back situation. And I've not even taken the filler off of that corner or this corner yet. Right, so we're just trying to get the center point for this panel and measured across here from side to side and noticed that this isn't actually in the center. So I've come up here and this isn't actually in the center. So the locking mechanism for the rear hatch is offset to the driver's side, which is strange. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure exactly where this is and replicate it onto this section. I can then mark out where it goes and cut these sections down here. Right, so off of that panel up, what I do want to do now is I want to start cleaning up this area. So I can see that there's a lot of filler or fiberglass or whatever it appears to be just in this corner. But I also want to see exactly what's behind this panel. So as you can see, this panel it needs replacing. So I'm going to cut that off, get all this filler out, see exactly what we need to do under there.